In this video, I'm going to show you how I made more than $3,000 by uploading AI-created music on Spotify and YouTube. Do you know what the best part is? I didn't even make the music myself. Let's get started. Let's break it down in simple terms. First, we'll use AI to create a lot of music, building up a music collection. Next, we'll upload this music on streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. This process is called distribution, and it works just like YouTube in terms of earning money. For example, if your music gets 1,000 plays on Spotify, you can make between $3 to $5 just like that. After we've got the music out there, we will compile all of the music into one Spotify playlist, then we'll create a YouTube channel. On this channel, we'll upload long videos with mixes of the music we created by AI. Well, this helps bring more people to our Spotify playlist by sharing its link. And as you upload music created using AI, you retain full copyright ownership, allowing you to monetize your channel, which means earning money from YouTube views too. This is the blueprint of the process. Take a screenshot. Now, let's get into the music creation process. We'll be using a website called Aiva. As you can see, the price might seem a bit high if you want to subscribe for a couple of months, but I've found a way to reduce the cost of producing AI-generated music. What I did was pay this $50 for a 1-month subscription, nothing more. This granted me the ability to create 300 pieces of music. Doing the math, it means I only paid 16 cents per track. After creating those 300 tracks for a month, I didn't have to subscribe anymore. That's a lot of music. And this $50 was a one-time fee to me. To start, click Create and select Composition. Then choose a genre. Now, when it comes to the music key, if you want it to sound happy, go for a major scale. If you want a more sad vibe, select the minor scale. You can even pick a specific key. Then choose the duration of the track and hit Create. As you see, the track is generated. Give it a listen. You can download it, or if you want, you can edit it using the built-in editor. For me, I usually like it as is. Once you've created your tracks, or a collection of them, it's time to distribute them. We'll use a distribution company called DistroKid. They charge you $23 per year to distribute an unlimited number of tracks to all major streaming platforms, especially Spotify. Now, why DistroKid is the best choice for us? I prefer DistroKid because of its speed and its simplicity. While other distribution companies take from 3 days to a week to get your music onto Spotify, DistroKid takes 24 hours. And your music may even get rejected because some of these companies have stupid strict rules. Musicians know which company I'm talking about anyway, so let's go with DistroKid. And if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get a 7% discount to save some money. Let's add some music. Go to Upload Music, and here you'll see the platforms your music will be available on. Check them all to maximize your earnings. Choose the number of tracks you want to upload. Next, pick an artist name for Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music, and make sure it's unique. Select the genre, and then you have to create a cover image for the track. It must be copyright-free. You can find free images on websites like Pexels or Unsplash. Make sure to crop them to a square shape, ideally 3,000 pixels square. I usually use images without any text. I find it easier and faster. Here, enter your track title and upload the music that you downloaded from Aiva. Keep everything as it is. Here in the songwriter details, type your legal name. Here, choose instrumental if your track doesn't include vocals. There are some optional extras here that you can explore later. Now, check all these boxes and click Continue, and you're almost done. In around 24 to 48 hours, you'll receive an email from DistroKid confirming that your music is live on Spotify. Keep in mind that you will always get updates from DistroKid on your music status and literally everything important in your email, including a link to your music on Spotify, or you can find it in your discography here. That wraps up our plan. You've learned to create AI music and add it to Spotify through a distributor. Now, produce lots of music, distribute it, build a music channel, and upload 1-hour-long music videos for views and drive traffic to your Spotify playlist. Your Spotify earnings are accessible through DistroKid, and you'll generate income on YouTube via their partner program. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll make sure to respond, especially to this video, as I don't want to make it too lengthy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Good luck, creators. I mean artists.